Hey, it's Greg here with MaritimeGardening.com, and it's Saturday morning, February 19th, and it's time to announce the winner of the Victorio 4-tray seed sprouting kit promo giveaway contest. This was provided by Vessi Seeds. If it turns out you didn't win this, and no, most of you didn't, there's only one winner, and you still want it, just go to Vessi Seeds, vessis.com, and use my coupon code GAVS22. And you'll get one of these with free shipping as long as there's a pack of seeds in the order. Of course, you're going to order a pack of sprouting seeds with it anyway, so that'll work out just fine, right? So if you don't win, just buy one, or find some other way to sprout them, right? But you can get free shipping if you use my coupon code GAVS22. Anyway, the winner is the Gardening Astronomer. Gardening Astronomer, if you would like to redeem this, I'll give you 48 hours to get a hold of me. Two ways to get a hold of me. You can go to my my website, maritimegardening.com/connect, and there's a little thing you just type your name and your email address, and it emails me, right? Or go on Facebook and personal message me through Facebook. Okay, so that's the two ways you can do that on my maritimegardening.com Facebook page. All right, so 48 hours, get a hold of me, and I'll mail this to you. Otherwise, I'll choose someone else, and they'll win it. So anyway, thanks everyone for participating in that. I noticed a little bump in my Twitter numbers there, and we'll see how that all works out over the future. But hopefully we can do some more of these sorts of giveaways. I don't do a lot of this sort of stuff, and I don't know why. Probably because I don't tend to participate in them, but I know viewers like them, and it's a good thing to do, and it's no problem for me to do this sort of thing. So we'll try to do more of this in the coming year. So thanks everyone for participating. Gardening Astronomer, congratulations, and we'll see you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching.